The biggest thing for me about this mower is the size of it. It's such a compact mower. You can get through small gateways and you can get into gardens which you wouldn't think you could get a ride on in. And yeah, it's just completely changed the way I do my grass route, and just saving time for me is everything. What I like about it is obviously it's so compact. It gets into the trailer really easy. I can poot along from job to job, no stress, just in and out. Whereas time's everything in this job. And yeah, this is just perfect machine for what I do. Especially in this area where I live in, all the roads are quite small, windy back roads. So having a small mower with a small trailer is just the perfect setup for me.